How RAMP protects your time and your rental income. If you own a residential unit or you are planning to invest in one, there is one question you should ask early. Who will manage the rental once I own the unit? Because rental income is not passive if you are the one chasing tenants, contracts, and renewals. Now, what is RAMP? RAMP stands for Rental Assistance Management Program. It is a leasing and management system where Torre Lorenzo acts as your exclusive leasing agent for residential units. In simple terms, you own the unit, they manage the rental. Under this program, the leasing term is a minimum of 1 year. This is not short term renting, it is designed for stability and long term tenants.